Hey, in this video, you're going to learn all about our marketing kit. What's included, how do you utilize it? So first, to get to the marketing kit page, which is shown here, you can go through your delivery email here. If you scroll down to visit the marketing kit, you can get to that page, or you can log into your account on our website via the website, or by clicking this shortcut link here. That will take you to your dashboard, which looks like this, and then you can click the marketing kit page, quick link very easily to get to the marketing kit page. So here's the marketing kit page. We'll go through top to bottom and I'll show you what's all is included. There's a button to go to your download page if you need to hop over there really quickly. There's 3 buttons here if you need to add any property info like beds, baths, square footage, update the address. You can upload your profile photo and logo. We can see here that our client Sarah has hers already uploaded. And then you can update profile data. So that includes your phone number, email, all sorts of personal information that you want directed to you that will be seen on these assets. So here's what's in your marketing kit. The top, my favorite, social media reels. So you can see here that there's some pre-created social media reels. So all of the marketing kit stuff, as soon as we upload your photos, all of this starts automatically getting generated and created into these custom templates. And that way, as soon as you get to this marketing kit page, you can quickly and easily click download and have an endless amount of marketing assets to use to market your listing. Here are the top 3. One of these will often be a holiday themed one if there's one coming up, so that's fun. These are motion videos, so you can see that it's an actual reel with actual video stuff going on. We'll pause that. So all of these are real videos, and then you can download it very easily by clicking that. Say something is not right, say you want to edit something, you could just click in this text box, for instance, and say coming, let's say soon. So, obviously you'd want to resize that and make it look good, but there's tons of things there. You can switch out photos here. So super, super handy. And all of this allows you to customize it exactly how you want, or you can just automatically have, let's see how many there are now. Oh my gosh. You could already have 16 pre-created social media reels for you to share instantly. So that's huge. Below that, we have stories and posts. So these are still posts, meaning they're not videos, they're not motion pictures. Again, you can download, you can customize. Yeah, all sorts of stuff on these things. They just don't move, they're stills. That was me downloading it. So yeah, they're all fitted and formatted for social media. That's why it's called a story or a post. So perfect for Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, etc. You can post it as a photo, share it to your stories, whatever, it works for social media. Again, if you click the down arrow, we got so many more templates. It's crazy. Below that, we have landscape posts. So say you want something that's more landscape oriented. I would recommend Facebook, for instance, is okay for landscape stuff since people still use their computer to view it. It says you can share it to Instagram. You could do that too, but I would prioritize the vertical post for sure. Again, download, edit, however you'd like. Click the down arrow to get more templates. There's square posts if you're into that. There's Pinterest Tower. I don't know anybody that's using these, but if anybody's using Pinterest to market your listings, let me know because that could be a useful avenue. Slideshows. So this will be a video slideshow of all your photos. So another really cool, quick and easy video content piece that you can just pull directly from your marketing kit. So you can see there's music to it. I'd recommend changing up the music in the Instagram app. But yeah, so that's all there for you. You can pull it. That's a teaser, so it's shorter. And then there's branded, unbranded. If you want to share one of these to the MLS and the virtual tour spot, it gives you a lot of options. And again, all pre-created as soon as we upload your photos. Below that, we have the branded and unbranded property sites. So this comes with your marketing kit. Super cool, very cool. We'll jump into that in a second, but one cool thing on the marketing kit page is that you can download a QR code. And so if people scan that, it'll bring up a contact info where they put in their name, number, and email address, and it sends you a text directly to your phone number if you have one on your account profile. And that will show you someone is interested, share their contact info, and that way you have a super warm lead ready to go and ready for you to reach back out to. You can download that, put it on any Canva graphic, So many things. If you download it, upload it to your site media, then you could actually throw that back on any of these marketing kit assets up here. So super cool. Again, just like everything on the marketing kit, there's multiple templates and designs. So Vega Black is our default, but say you want something a little more, modern and stylish, you could go Nova Black by just selecting that. You can preview all these. Tons of options, so many cool. Click this, there's even more. Below that, another cool thing, print ready flyers. So again, all we did was upload the photos. All you did was put in your branding info one time, and all of these are pre-created for you, ready to use. So say you get photos back on a Friday or Saturday morning, and you're like, shoot, I don't have time to draft up or create my own flyer for the open house. Grab one from here. Download it, send it to your favorite printer, go pick it up on the way to the open house, and boom, you're ready to go. And again, tons of different templates for those as well. At the very bottom, you'll see a weekly traffic report. So if you dive into, let's see, this for instance, we will see, okay, here are the dates and times where we got some traffic to this property site. Here's what photos people are liking the most. Traffic by city, you can see if people from out of town are looking at your listing, which is, really useful. Top referring websites, so Google search is getting 7% here. In this case, the website itself is generating 93%. I'm guessing Sarah sent this out to some people, or maybe put it as the virtual tour link on the MLS, which I recommend. If you do that for the property website, then people see all of your media, not just one 3D tour, not just one video. Below that, visitors per week. This is an older job, to be fair, from the summer, so that's why things aren't happening this week. But again, really cool stuff and really cool metrics to see how is this marketing stuff working and how can I better leverage it. Okay, so let's go back up to the website. So again, there's always a branded and unbranded. You want to put the unbranded on the MLS virtual tour link section. Put the branded everywhere else, on your website, on Facebook when you share it, send to your clients, send to, buyer's agents. That way your branding will show up just like that. So let's preview this site. So immediately, very visually appealing, giant header photo here, agent branding here, call to action button to schedule a showing. Again, that will bring up a pop-up box to give people contact info to you. That way you can follow up and take action on them. At the top is our embedded media. So we are always going to put our videos at the top here because that's the most captivating piece of content over the photos. Since we have a 3D tour on this one as an example, that's also at the upper embedded media. There's also an option for a lower embedded media. So if you want, you can actually move the second piece or a second video or a second 3D tour below the photos just to clean this look up a little bit. But I recommend leaving it at the top. If they scroll down, they see info about the home. This can all be edited and customized. This is under the site data page on your job from your account. Some quick links here, which is pretty cool. It'll take the address and show what school district it's in. It'll take some local info and bring up, I think, a Wolfram Alpha link to data about the area and demographics. People can print your flyer if they want, just to have something to keep or take home or, review later, send to their spouse, whatever it may be. Since you got floor plans on this will give them a PDF floor plan just right there to print out. And these are all people viewing this website online, right? Here's the photo gallery, which looks super nice. It's dynamic, sized differently, keeps you guessing. Click that to show more. You can see all of them. Below that are always going to be the floor plans, which is very handy, of course. That helps you really tie in, like what photo goes where, how does it look. I love the floor plans. And then below that, people can share this on Facebook, X, Indeed, Pinterest very, very quickly, which helps you and your clients get more exposure. At the very bottom, we just have another branding section. So presented by Sarah Harrison, here's her contact. Again, this will bring up a box for, warm leads to send you directly their contact info. It's awesome. Below that's even an interactive map, which is cool. So that is all about the property website and the marketing kit. Yeah, tons of amazing options there. Love this feature that we provide. It can be bought a la carte for any job, or it's included, like I said, in all of our core packages. If you have any questions about that, please feel free to reach out and we'd be happy to help walk you through anything or help you customize anything to your liking. Thanks.